Hello my dear, welcome to the ingredient channel. In this week's episode, we're making Sachima, the famous Chinese flour cake. Sachima is a very well-known Chinese dessert and snack made of fluffy strands of fried batter glued together with sugar syrup. It originated in Manchuria but gets popular among Chinese communities around the world. It looks very similar to American Rice Krispies and are shared as wonderful gifts in festivals. Comparing to the ones manufactured by factories, the homemade recipe we're making together requires very simple ingredients with no preserves and less sugar. It does require a bit effort and patience, but I hope you find the delicious sweet treat is all worthy. Now let's start. Add 3 eggs to 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Add a pinch of baking soda and salt. Mix into a dough. Rest for about 20 minutes. Then sprinkle a little bit dry flour. Take out the dough. Knead for about 3 minutes until the surface gets smooth. Rest for another 20 minutes. Take out the dough, push it a bit. Use the rolling pin to roll the batter into about 2 millimeter thin. Spray some cornstarch. Make sure cornstarch is everywhere around the corner as well. Cut into 1-inch wide strips. Then stack the strips and cut into thin noodle strips. Gently separate them and set aside for use later. In a pan, add cooking oil. Wait until the temperature reaches 320 Fahrenheit. This is very important. I highly recommend using a thermometer to check. Add 1/3 of the noodle strips to fry. Once the noodles float, wait for about 10 seconds. Do not fry too much. The longer you fry, the crispier it is. The shorter you fry, the softer the cake is going to taste. Take them out. Now we have got all the flour batter deep fried. Let's prepare for the syrup. In the pan, add the water then sugar. Low heat. Do not stir too much. Wait until large bubbles pop up. Check the temperature until it is about 230 Fahrenheit. Then add honey. Maltose syrup is better to bond the noodle stripes, but I prefer honey for its nutrition. Wait until the temperature gets back to 230 Fahrenheit. Add deep fried flour strips and mix well. I did this, by separating the strip to 3 portions and add them one by one. Scatter some sesame seeds on the bottom of the container and add the batter in. Use a piece of parchment paper to mold the batter into shape. The syrup makes the batter very sticky, so we'll need the help from the parchment paper. Sprinkle some raisin or your favorite dried fruit and sesame seed. Push it one more time to make sure everything sticks together. Wait for it to completely cool down. Take it out and cut into 12 pieces. Time to enjoy. Crispy outside but soft inside. Sweet with a hint of savory. It's just so tempting. Let me know how yours turns out. Again, it is good to have you. I hope you enjoyed this episode and check out the other videos in my channel. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks.